Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Are you looking to upgrade your Toyota RAV4 XA50 with some cool accessories? Well, today I've got something special for you. Let me introduce you to the car gear shift box center control panel cover frame sticker trim strip accessories. First and foremost, let's talk about the materials. This gear shift box cover is made of top quality ABS and nanofibers, which not only makes it durable, but also gives it a soft and smooth texture. It's lightweight at just 40 grams and has a dimension of 9.7 x 2.7 x 5 inches. But weight, there's more. This accessory is not just limited to Toyota RAV4 XA50, it's also suitable for various car models such as Audi A3, BMW F10, Jeep Renegade, and so much more. It's a versatile and chic accessory that will surely elevate the interior of your car. And here's the kicker: it's incredibly easy to install and fits like a glove. Plus, it's available in black, which makes it compatible with any car interior color. It's the perfect way to add a touch of modern elegance to your car. But that's not all, folks. To sweeten the deal, I've got an exclusive offer for you. You can get this car gear shift box center control panel cover frame sticker trim strip accessories at an amazing price. And guess what? You can find the link to purchase this awesome accessory in the description below. So, what are you waiting for? Spruce up your car's interior with this fantastic accessory. Click the link in the description and make your car stand out on the road.